Hi, I'm Ben. I'm here to learn English.
And I'm Emma. I'm here to help.
Let's learn together.
Let's learn together. Hi, everyone. Welcome back to English with Emma and Ben. I'm Emma.
And I'm Ben. Thanks for joining us today. We're always so happy to spend time with you.
This podcast is perfect for English learners. We speak slowly, clearly, and use easy words and useful phrases so you can understand and learn while having fun.
Today's topic is different cultures, a big, exciting topic.
Yes, culture means how people live, eat, celebrate, dress, talk, everything. And learning about different cultures helps us understand each other better.
Emma, do you remember your first trip to another country?
Yes, I went to Italy when I was 19. I ate pizza every day and loved the relaxed lifestyle.
That sounds great. My first big trip was to Thailand. The food was spicy, the temples were beautiful, and everyone was very polite.
Oh, yes. I've heard that in Thailand, people greet each other by putting their hands together and bowing.
That's right. It's called the Y.
Isn't it amazing how greetings can be so different? In the US, we shake hands. In Japan, people bow. In France, people kiss on the cheek.
Let's teach some important words about culture, but let's do it in conversation.
Deal. So, Ben, what's one custom you learned while traveling?
In Morocco, people eat with their hands during traditional meals. It's part of the custom. I liked it, but I was messy.
That's a fun one. I remember during Ramadan, people fast during the day. It's part of their religion and tradition.
Yes, and every country has its own traditional food, like sushi in Japan or tacos in Mexico.
Exactly. And what about festivals?
Oh, festivals are great. In India, they have Holi, the festival of colors. People throw colored powder and dance in the streets.
Amazing. I went to a Chinese New Year festival in London once. There were dragon dances, fireworks, and red lanterns everywhere.
Let's do a quick speaking exercise. Repeat after us, dear listeners. I enjoy learning about new cultures.
Every country has different customs.
Traditional food is delicious.
Music and dance are part of culture.
Festivals bring people together. Emma, let's pretend we're at a cultural festival in the city.
Okay. Hi, Ben. Look at all these booths. This one is Korean. Ooh, they're making kimchi.
Yum. And over here is a Spanish booth. They're teaching flamenco dancing.
I want to try that later. Oh, and I see some Turkish coffee. Want one?
Yes, please. I love trying drinks and snacks from other cultures.
Same here. This is such a great way to learn, by experiencing.
What's one way our listeners can learn about different cultures?
Tip 1. Watch travel vlogs in English. You'll learn about the place and improve your listening.
Tip 2. Try new recipes from other countries and save the ingredients in English.
Tip 3. Talk to people from different countries. Ask, what is a special holiday in your country?
Tip 4. Read stories or watch short movies from different cultures with English subtitles.
And tip 5. Keep a culture journal. Write one new thing you learn each week.
Now it's your turn. Here's your challenge. Choose one country, learn 3 new things about its culture this week. You can write it in the comments or just say it to yourself in English.
Great idea. For example, choose Mexico, Brazil, Korea, anywhere. Learn about greetings, food, or holidays.
We loved talking with you today. We hope you feel more excited to explore the world through English and through culture.
Let us know in the comments, what's your favorite culture to learn about? Or what's something special about your own?
And if you liked this episode, please like the video, subscribe, and share with a friend who is also learning English.
Remember, learning English can be an adventure, especially when you learn about people around the world.
We'll see you next time, friends. Stay curious, stay kind, and keep learning.
Bye.